Liam K. Hello guys, my name is Liam, and tomorrow it's Bonfire Night. Yes! So we can do all the fireworks and have a look at them, and probably have a look at the bonfire. And today, we're setting off a few fireworks, and it's really going to be fun. Are you excited, Harry? Because I am. We're ready to go. There's Imogen. Look, the fireworks.
Stand there by the gate.
Stand there by the gate.
Yeah. Imogen, look.
Oh my god.
Stop, Harry.
Is that it? We'll try another one. Keeping my Harry safe away from the firework thing. Oh my god. Again. Okay. Whoa. That was awesome. It's smoking out of there. That was so scary, that. It scared my little Imogen. Yeah, she hated it.
That was scared.
More tomorrow.
Come on.
Oh god. Let's get in. Well, that was pretty scary, but it was pretty fun at the same time. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the bonfire night. Bye. Okay guys, it's now the 5th of November, and we're looking out for the fireworks, and Olivia's got a sparkler. We all have one.
You're going to make the kids think there's something to be scared of.
There's nothing scared of it, Ethan. So yeah, we all have sparklers, including Olivia. Now my mum has it. They're all putting the fire on over there.
Isn't that a bit close? Get nice and toasty from that.
Wow, looking so cool. Oh my god. Right there, there's some fireworks going off. And that's what we're going to look at today, as we are doing it now. Yeah. Even Laura's having fun. As you can see, I've got a sparkler. Very impactful and pretty big, as you can see. Oh my god. If you could look close, there's something going on off over here. Wow. Look at it. Wow. Another fireworks going off. That's actually quite big, that. Wow. Still going off. Wow. It's starting to get lit on fire right over there. It will do. That it? Yeah, it was like yesterday. Here we go. Wow. Yeah, useless likely, with all the smoke going everywhere. The bonfire is really coming through, with all the fireworks right there. So one just failed and went on the road over there, by the little convenience store. Wow. That one's pretty funny, but quite scary. Bang! We're setting off a firework this time. Oh my god. I got it on camera. That's going quite big, that. Wow. That's a big one, eh? There's another one. Wow. Smoky as well. There's some over there, as you can see. Here's another one. Wow. Wow. It's filled with smoke. Huh. Lovely. There's the bonfire. It's very bright, as you can see on my phone, but yeah, there it is. The bonfire right there. Very local, as you can see. Wow. Look at the ash. Wow. Wow. Really big that is. Well, that looks big, doesn't it? Whoa. Look over there. It's rising out, innit? As you can see right there, very big that is. Everyone's going to it. That is right. Wow. That's actually massive, that. Very big, isn't it? More fireworks over there. And that bonfire is dying out. Yeah. Everyone's going to that one over there. Really boss, isn't it? Okay guys, my dad is here and we're going to that big bonfire. Yes, I'm going again. This time with my dad and Harry right here. It's going to be really fun. They're putting a lot of stuff on it, as you can see. There it is. Wow. Got a sparkle, as you can see. Could do everything with it. I just spelled my name, Liam. Wow. Very cool that is. Also, Sophie got me this drink, and I'm going to drink it. Me, Harry and Dad just went close to that bonfire. The atmosphere was so cool. Here's more that we're going to watch. Whoa! My ears are dead. That was so cool. There's the little fire right there. The carpet thing is getting thrown on the fire, as you can see, to make it a bit bigger. And yeah, I throwed a bit of wood in our back garden into the fire as well, which is pretty fun to say the least. Some of the ash got in my eye.
Why?
I don't know. But yeah, focus.
Come on, Harry, let's go.
Go over there and see what we're setting off next. There we go. Whoa! That looks cool. Here we go.
How far?
Wow. Wow. Here's some more. Wow. Yep, there we go. Ready for Pac-Man. This one is going to be good and very interesting. This is it. This is the part. Oh my god. That looks cool. Wow! Wow! That was amazing, that. Very crazy and pretty great, to be honest, because that was boss. Here we go. Wow, next to the big one. Very smoky now. Get ready for another one. Here's another one. Let's go. One, go back. Oh my god. Wow. That was close. Wow. That was close. Very smoky now, as I said. Wow. So yeah, as you can see, not just Laura, Courtney and Sienna, Sophie, her boyfriend Luke, and Jamie is here as well. So it's going to be really fun, innit? Let's watch this, Harry. Let's watch this. Whoa! Wow! Woo!
That was Stealth Commander.
Wow!
Wow. See, to be careful.
Wow! Imagine. Wow! That's a big firework, that. Also, that firework bonfire right there is coming alive again, which is pretty cool. Wow! Here comes the rain.
Oh.
That's actually quite big, that, as you can see. There's some fireworks over there going off. Here it is. Wow.
Harry, we should do that.
Look. It's actually quite longer than the last ones. Really? That's cool, that. There's some more going off over there. Harry's having a go. He done it! Harry set one off. Wow. Sit down. That was so good that you did, Harry. Really good. Harry set off a firework. So proud of him. We are.
Might take Toby over there for a little walk.
What have you done for 4 years?
There we go. So tiny that is, but interesting.
Hey, you've got an hour left on that scout.
Wow.
And you wait.
Wow. That's very pretty.
That wasn't 19.
Wasn't a 19. It tricked you, I guess. There's another one. Wow, that is it. God.
Sorry, I'll shut the boxes.
Well, guys, that was pretty fun. Yeah, we enjoyed that a lot. We've seen a lot of fireworks and even got some sparklers and set off ones. And we also seen some bonfires. There's the fireworks going off right now. There it is. A display going on over there. Cool. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and like the video, because it will be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!